Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn to unlock our disabled iPhone. This method will also work for iPad, iPod or any other devices. This is an online method, so you need internet connection, PC, either Mac or Windows. And your PC must contain iTunes. You can find how to download and install iTunes in the description below. So, let's get started. At first, power off your iPhone. Now, for recovery mode, hold home button and insert data cable connected to PC. Do not release the home button until iTunes logo with cable appear. After successful connection, iTunes will automatically open on your PC, showing your problem with iPhone. So, from there choose Restore. Do not click on Update, otherwise your device will not be unlocked. Now, choose Restore and Update. Click on Next, and choose Agree button. Now, iTunes will automatically download the firmware of your device. After download is completed, it will extract the software on your device. Your iPhone may restart 2 to 3 times. After restoration is completed, you can configure your iPhone as new device. If you have any difficulties, then comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.